Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we shall develop a small Android application to display a hello world pop-up message. I have started Java Eclipse, then File, New. We want to develop an Android project, so select it. Give the project name is equal to say hello world, otherwise hello world 1, then next. Android 2.2 works in almost all devices, therefore we shall select that. Next, this is the human readable application name which appears on the application title of the device, so I call it as the same hello world. And package name is normally given in the reverse domain name, therefore either it can be com.hfa. Say hello world. So this is the package name, then say finish. So here my hello world project appears on the Explorer bar, and you can see that this is the source file. This is my package name which I gave just now. This is the Java file. This file has a class called as hello world activity, whose parent class is activity class, and it has a onCreate method, and in the onCreate method it displays the r.layout.main. Okay. Then this folder contains almost many hundreds and hundreds of Java classes. So, and as you know that each one is a package, and a package is a collection of classes, and a class is a collection of member functions, right? And here we see that these are the resources where the icon appears in the high density pixels or low density or medium density pixels, and here we are interested only in the layout. Here we have a main XML layout where we do all the design part. We can see either in this view or graphical view, or we can see in the XML view. Alright, so it is simple to drag and drop some contours, and then it is easy to edit the text in XML. Therefore I save all my work so far. I save everything. Still the Java files are to be created, so let us wait for a while. This folder has to be created. Alright, meanwhile we shall come to the design part. We shall come to the graphical layout, and we shall drag a button control, and this button control we shall change the text. Instead of button we shall call it as click me. Okay, save everything. Let us go back to the graphical layout. The button, I can fill the entire container so that you can see that it becomes match parent. And now for instance, if I run this Android application, yes, here now it is completed. Now yes, I will come back to it. It will take for a while, right? This is my XML part, and this is my coding part. Okay, here we have added a button, therefore that we shall access it. Therefore I add a button, I call it as the variable as button, and for this squiggly lines you have to import the button. Now we have to link whatever we design in XML, we have to link in Java. Therefore here this variable I call button is equal to, use the cast operator button and find view by ID. This is how all XML controls are linked into the Java. I select R, within R I select the ID, and within ID I select the button 1. What is this? R.id.button. here you can check it out, that inside the R file which are created automatically, within our R class and within this ID class we selected the button 1. Therefore this is the XML. And go to the R class, within the R class go to the ID, and within ID go to button 1. So that is how I linked the XML into the Java. Now this button 1 is now totally deaf. Now we have to attach ears to it. Whenever the button 1 is clicked, we have to respond something. Therefore button 1 dot, sorry, not button 1, button dot set on click listener, and this I first complete the sentence. Then what is to be done on click listener? Therefore I start a new view dot on click listener. So whenever this button is clicked, this on click function is called. What we have to do here, we have to display a message. In order to display a message, there is one function called toast dot make text, and what it contains, it consists of context, in which, that is what is my class. The class is hello world activity. Therefore I select hello world activity in this class itself. Then what is to be displayed, what text is to be displayed, I say within quotation, I say hello world. Okay, for how long it is to be displayed, therefore the duration, there are two durations. The toast dot, here either length long or length short, I take length short, and this toast is to be short. Okay, so that's all my one line coding, and whenever the button is clicked, then I am displaying a toast message. Therefore let us save everything, let us run the application and change it to the emulator. And now this is the emulator which I am getting. And now if you open this, if you unlock this, then I get this XML view, I mean the design part. And when I select the click me button, you can see that a pop-up message comes, hello world. When you click here, a pop-up toast message comes, hello world. Okay, this is only a beginning. This is meant for the beginners. Hope we shall continue in our next lecture. Thank you.